Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host P Fire, aka definitely Made P, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. You already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. Let's waste no time. Okay, and drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Spinach. Alright, what we got here, gang? What's that say? That says Stan Smith 2, blue box, you know what I mean? Size 10 UK. Let's get into it. Okay, la box. Let's disrobe it. Let's move it. Of course, you got the old papier right there, you know what I mean? Some old paper, you know, just about holding up. Let's give you a little visage, a look. Okay, look at this, guys. Right now, as you can see, we have some ADIDAS Stan Smith in this fetching black and red. Some would call it bread colorway. Obviously, you got the tray foil on the back there. You got your inscribed laces. Let's get into it, man. Let's move this to the side and let's do as we always do. Right foot. Guys, okay, today we have this beautiful pair, and I'm gonna tell you what year this pair's from. Damn, homie, in high school you was the man, homie. This pair is from 2005. 2005, guys. 17 years ago. Dead stock pair. I've never worn them. And I'll tell you where I bought these from. I bought these from Moulton Street. Moulton Street, they still do the sales up there. They've been doing them sales there for God knows how long. But I bought them from Moulton Street, and I think, if I remember correctly, it was an Evisu sale. So I used to go to the Evisu sales up there, cop some bits, and I copped these, guys. I copped these for the grand price. They were sat in the corner on my size 10. I copped these for the grand price of a tenner. 17 years ago. Still haven't worn them. Pristine condition, beautiful. Look at the soles on that. Let me just give you a little cheeky look on the sole on that. Stan Smith goodness. Red sole, no degradation in color, really nice. Let's get into it. Black upsole, you know what I'm saying? Black upper, I should say. Obviously you got the 3 lines going there, perforated lines to demarcate the 3 lines. The mark with the 3, sorry, the brand with the 3 lines, or the mark with the 3 lines, something like that. Of course, you've got that red. I don't know what this red is. It's a different kind of red. You don't see this red often. I guess maybe, I don't know, but it's a really dope bread that fits dope on a bread. Haha, a bread shoe. So you got that red sole and that red midsole all the way through. Really dope. The leather on this is actually really soft. It's a soft leather. Again, this is 17 years old. Really nice. It's not like, ooh, butter like my sneakers and stuff, but it's just a nice, solid, soft leather. Of course, look at the laces there. What you might have noticed, eagle eye amongst you. This says OKI-NI. Now, this is an OKI-NI ADIDAS Stan Smith. I don't remember if you remember OKI-NI, but I used to cop certain pieces off OKI-NI. Actually, I say I used to cop certain pieces. I used to be on OKI-NI every day, but then times I don't think my money was really up to be jumping on OKI-NI like that, so I didn't really buy much off OKI-NI, but I was always on it every day, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, they done a couple pairs. I'm not sure what the other colors were, but yeah, they came with this black and red and some other pair, and obviously they came with these fat laces. You got the spare pair of fat laces right there, which as you can see says OKI-NI. Back in the day they used to care. Still got the swing tag on, do you know what I mean? Really dope. You got the tray foil at the back in white, really nice, and that is a rubberized sort of applique. Really dope. Give you a bit more of that lace life so you can see what's going on. Let's give that a bit, give a bit more of that lace life so you can see what's going on. OKI-NI, you know what I'm saying? Sweet as a bird. On this tongue here, you see you don't have your usual Stan Smith, either his face or the spell out. You have OKI-NI ADIDAS, really dope. And if you check the reverse, you got that ADIDAS right there, super nice. Of course you got the size and all of that right there. If you look inside, you see the repeated pattern right there. If you can see the ADIDAS tray foil all the way through, and it says Okini, Okini. Second side, Equilibrium is a beautiful thing. I say second side. Second shoe, Equilibrium c'est une belle thing. It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same on the second side. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Who's been in our field? Beautiful. Guys, really, really beautiful pair. Like I said, 2005 these, 17 years old, man. I haven't worn them. I'll wear them at some point. It's just a pair I'll never give away or sell or whatever, because I paid a tenner for them. And look at the class in that, you know what I'm saying? Tenner, one of the best tenners I've spent. Alright, yeah, guys. These have been the ADIDAS OKI-NI Stan Smith from 2005, a 17-year-old pair, you know what I mean? Really, really dope. I've been your host, P Fire. This has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Crepes, and you already know what this is. This has been Once. We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. Let me know your thoughts. Please put your comments and likes and all of that below. Please don't forget to share. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the flip side, guys. I love you guys and I appreciate you. Mad love. Peace.